In 2008, the worst financial crisis in 80 years hit. Millions of people lost their jobs, lost their homes, lost their savings. But the top 1%? They came out richer? How? And more importantly, can you do the same thing? Today, I'm breaking down the exact formula the wealthy use, and why most people will never figure this out on their own. Here's a number that will shock you. The top 1% now owns more wealth than the bottom 90% combined. In 1990, that gap was half of what it is today, so it's getting worse. But why? Is it luck? Is it family money? Sometimes? But most of the time, it's one thing. They play a completely different game. Think of it like this. Every dollar you earn can do two things. It can leave your hands forever, or it can come back with friends. Most people spend money on things that lose value. Cars, phones, clothes. The wealthy spend money on things that make more money. Stocks, real estate, businesses. In 2020, Jeff Bezos made $75 billion in 1 year. Not from working, from owning Amazon stock. His money was working, he was sleeping. The rule is simple. Before you buy anything, ask yourself, is this an asset or a liability? Here's something they don't teach in school. The wealthy don't use their own money to get richer. They use the bank's money. Think about real estate. A house costs $300,000. You put down $30,000 to 10%. The bank covers the rest. Your tenant pays the mortgage every month. The house goes up in value, and you keep the difference. You made money using someone else's money. That's called leverage. And it's the biggest wealth tool most people never use. The stock market has crashed 26 times since 1928, and every single time it recovered and hit new all-time highs. The wealthy know this, so they never stop buying. Warren Buffett has been investing since he was 11 years old. He's 93 now. 99% of his wealth was built after age 50. That's compound interest. Time in the market beats timing the market, every time. Here's exactly what you can do starting today, even with $100. Step 1. Open a free brokerage account, Fidelity or Robinhood. Step 2. Buy one S&P 500 index fund. Ticker symbol VOO or SPY. You now own 500 companies at once. Step 3. Auto invest every month, even $25. Don't touch it. Let compound interest do the work. The wealthy don't have a secret. They just started earlier and never stopped. The gap between the rich and everyone else isn't luck. It's habits. Assets over liabilities. Leverage. Consistency. You now know the formula. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. I break this stuff down every single week. Drop in the comments, which step are you starting with?